Haka jingraki ke Republic Day bernyop sansnam haka arpun tarik Kuala Lengkot arja arpusau Superintendent of Police City Bah Vivek Syiem ringkat arngot ki pulit kila syapan ko burom daki medal for Meritorious Service. Ki arngot kiwei pat ki kentup yo John M. Sangma ubri Armed Branch Inspector bat ubat Taibor Sumer Havildar. Ke Inspector Anyos ka Basayomon, kepala Shah tungkum ke Senior Instructor ha Central Training Institute of Civil Defence and Home Guards mau diang ru kalau yok pediang ya ke jing syapun ko buram da medal for Meritorious Service. Kidan hadu khatway spa life arngot ki bakentup na ki bor pulit fire service, home guard and civil defence but correction service ki bala syapun ko buram hakani jing rakhi Republic Day arja arpusau. Habakran skilat pathai kubor Bah Vivek Syiem ulakran halor ke jingya khun yo drugs ya ke ba ke sarkar jilla kala sedang.
I'm happy and overjoyed, and feeling good about it. But I think I owe it to my team who have been working with in the quest for public service, delivering safety and security to the public. I owe it to my superiors, my senior officers who have been guiding me, who have been actually the bedrock actually of all my work, and they've been very supportive. I owe it also to my family who have always been supportive, always been behind me. It motivates me and my team, because I owe this to my team, and it motivates us to work harder and to deliver better. And I owe it to the government actually, who has always been supporting officers who actually want to deliver. So, and thank God. Yes, East Castle's police and in fact Meghalaya police has launched a war against drugs, and this has gone on a war footing. It's a mission mode, and it's not only a war against drugs. East Castle's police is fighting cybercrime. It's there for maintaining law and order. But yes, the increase of drugs, the increase of trafficking, increase of people getting into drug addiction is alarming, and our fight will continue. And we need the help of the public in our war against drugs.